So we frequently hear questions from patients asking, what is all-on-4 or teeth in a day? And that's an excellent question. And it's the ability to replace your teeth with new teeth that are permanently fixed in the mouth that rest on implants and not on the gums. Unlike what you might hear on television, teeth in a day isn't necessarily done in a single day. It is true that when the time comes, you will show up in the morning and then you'll leave that afternoon and you will have new teeth, but there's a whole lot of steps that are involved to get you to that point. And it usually takes several weeks to prepare somebody for surgery. And in that, we have to collect all that proper data, ensure that we have your teeth made, work with the oral surgeon as we plan this comprehensive and complicated procedure. The all-on-4 or teeth in a day is simply a way to replace your teeth that rest on dental implants. This provides you the best comfort and function and stability of your teeth, and thereby giving you the opportunity to eat the foods that you want to eat again.